Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So guys, I'm changing my steel edger. This is how I do it. You can see on this side here there's a hole. You can see it right there. You have to put it like that, you know. You can see the hole on the other that goes all the way right there. It's supposed to be like this, not like that. So you're gonna put something that will fit there, a small screwdriver or anything, and this thing that will fit there like that, so it's not gonna move when you are removing the nut. So guys, I already removed this. To remove it, hold it like that, and this goes so this is the old one. It was like that, and this goes like this. So this is supposed to be like that, right? And when you're removing, it is clockwise. Removing is clockwise, like that, clockwise. So if you want to tighten this up, you have to do it counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is like this. So it's like that. That's the counterclockwise when you are tightening. So removing, I repeat, make sure you do this clockwise when you're removing the nuts. And the socket is 3/4, guys. That's 3/4. So now you're gonna remove it. So you have to hold this so it's not gonna turn. And that's the old one. And you're gonna put the new one. Make sure the new one is straight. You know, make sure it's straight so it's not gonna wobble. You know, if it's not straight, this is bent. I already straightened it up, and I got this online. This is made in USA, but they're all messed up. You know, like I ordered like 25 pieces, and like more than half of it is it's not straight. It's bent, so you have to straighten it up with that hammer. I do it like that, and I hammer it like over here slowly, and then, you know, now it's straight. So now we're gonna put it back like that, and we're gonna put this right there like that, so that will hold that blade. And now this one here, it is backward, you know, counterclockwise like that, and gonna hold it. So now I'm gonna hold that things, and I'm gonna use a power tools. This here you go. That's good enough, and you'll set. You know, easy to do it. You don't need to pay someone else to do it for you. If you ask someone else, they're gonna cost you $20 to $25, and you're good. That's already tight. But make sure after a while, you know, maybe after 20 minutes or 30 minutes of using it, you have to check again. If it's loose, you're gonna tighten it up again. And there you go. That's it, guys. Sharing with you how to change the blade of your steel edger.